Hello, this is a demonstration of Life Safety Tracker version 1.1.35. What we're going to be doing today is opening up a detail as well as a survey that was created through the rapid entry, and we are going to fix some errors that may have been made in the information typed in to the Life Safety Tracker rapid entry form. So the first step is I'm going to find the folder or the life safety record that I'm going to be working in. So I'm going to go to the life safety records. I'm going to do a search. In this example, the area was 9S36, and that should give me enough to do a search on. So I'm going to type the areas. The search results came through, and I'm going to expand here to find the exact record. In this case, it's this bottom one here, 9S36/9S35. I've expanded down here. And as you can see, we have a few compliant items that appear to still be of non-compliance. So to verify, I'm going to double click. This will bring up the Life Safety Tracker detail form. And we can see here that this one's properly labeled as a non-compliance. So we're going to close this form and look for a compliant item that appears to still be non-compliant within the photo. So here we have a through-wall penetration of an insulated pipe, and it appears that there's no fire stopping at the penetration. So I believe we found our winning ticket here. In fact, if we double-click the picture, we can see that it looks like the fire stopping was poorly done and is inconsistent to the requirements of the UL system. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one as an example. To reopen a survey to further edit the information, it's a simple process. Now, when you upload a compliant item through the Life Safety Tracker rapid entry form, it will automatically close out the form. It will automatically close out the survey, and because it's a compliant survey, no deficiency record is created at the bottom third of the screen. To fix this error, I would simply reopen the survey. It will ask me if I really want to reopen it, which I do in this case. I'll switch my compliance status or the question whether or not it's deficient from no to yes, making the survey results switch from compliant to non-compliant. It appears complete is incorrect, so I'll write fire stopping incomplete. There's a reference to a UL system here. I'm not really sure what that indicates, so I won't touch any of the additional information. At this point, all I need to do is close out survey as follows. It'll close the survey out just as you normally would expect for a non-compliant result. And I can go ahead now and add any additional information to the corrective action portion. Just as an example, since we don't necessarily have the corrective action data put together, I'm just going to run through adding a photo. The suggested corrective action, which is required for reporting, I'm going to put in and leave there. I'm now going to add a photo. To add a photo, all I do is hit this plus sign over here to the right that says Add New Photo. Press the plus sign here, and it's going to bring me to the photo side of it, or excuse me, the photo add new photo form. So I would pick a side first. I'm not really sure what side I'm picking, so I'm just going to leave it as side 1. I would then hit load photo, and since we're going to be doing a demo, I'm just going to pick a pipe at random. I happen to have a picture right here that I can use. I also want to make sure to identify that this is in fact a follow-up, since this is a corrective action photo. If I don't do a follow-up, then the software will not link the two for a corrective action report. So I do want to make sure I do a follow-up. I select follow-up, and now I'm going to find my original photo, which is that photo over here. I can drag this left or right so I can get a better view of it. And it appears now I have all the information I need. I'm going to hit save, and it's going to upload the photo to the server, and as well as link the two together. It's going to now refresh for a second. This process does take a little bit for it to upload and download, and we are complete. If the photo is done and if the system matched the proper UL system, at this time I could hit close out deficiency, and I would update the UL system up here as well. But we're not going to be doing that, so we may just want to put the UL system as a corrective action note at this time. This concludes the demonstration of reopening the survey to change from compliant to non-compliant. Thanks.